Is my car worth it? Hi, I'm Sabrina from Wayside Garage. Today we're going to be discussing the cost to maintain the vehicle that you have versus buying a new or used vehicle. And is it worth investing serious money into the old car that you have? And is it financially responsible? So let's get into it. Okay, so here is a maintenance calculator. This is a cost for the maintenance to maintain the vehicle that you currently have. And this is not just for the first 75,000 miles, but the 75 after that. And after that, because we do want you to get the most miles possible out of your investment. On the left-hand side here, we have things like fluids, filters, belts, hoses, battery, shocks and struts, alignment, tire rotation, and spark plugs. Next to that is the cost for each service item. This is generic, so every vehicle is different, but this is high-end generic pricing for if you were to take your vehicle into a repair or maintenance facility. Next to that is the interval that the maintenance items should be performed over the course of 75,000 miles, and then the total cost over 75,000 miles for each item. So with that being said, all of that added up comes out to about 16,337. Underneath that is the repair calculator. This is for wearable items like brakes and tires and any unexpected things that might come up throughout that 75,000 miles. Both of those added up together for the maintenance and the repairs would be about 22,337. Now, if we divide that by the 75,000 miles, it comes out to about 30 cents per mile. Now, you might be thinking that's a lot. So we're going to go ahead and come over to Edmunds Cost to Own. Edmunds is a site, they're in the market of buying and selling used and new vehicles. So this is their predicted true cost to own over 5-year period, 15,000 miles per year. So they predict for a 2024 Honda Accord, it would run about $44,600 to maintain the vehicle, plus a cash price of $31,000. So then we can scroll down, they give us the breakdown. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the amount for fuel because that depends on the market. And then over here we have a calculator. I've added up the true cost to own plus the cash price of the vehicle, subtracted the fuel, and divided that by 75,000 miles. So for a 2024 Honda Accord, it would be about 84 cents per mile. Now, for a 5-year vehicle, a 2020 Honda Accord, it would be about 44,600 true cost to own, plus the $23,000 cash price. What I'll do is subtract the fuel and add those two together and divide that by 75,000 miles, and that would come out to about 74 cents per mile. So now that we've gone over the numbers and compared investing into the vehicle that you have versus buying a new or used vehicle, here at Wayside Garage, we full-heartedly believe that it is so worth it to invest into the vehicle that you have and maintain it for longevity reasons to get the most miles possible out of your vehicle, because it is a big investment. And it's not just the first 75,000 miles, it's the 75 after that and after that. And so if you have any questions throughout the process that your vehicle is at our facility, please give us a call. But I hope this video has been helpful and aided in your decision-making process. Thank you so much.